back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Canon PowerShot G7x Mark II. I wanted to open it up with you guys and let you guys see what it's all about. This is a very popular camera and I'm really excited to have it and to be able to travel, a lot more vlogs. So let's open it and review it together. So this is a camera that I've been doing a lot of research on. I know a lot of YouTubers have it. It's really popular, definitely for vlogging, and that's what I'm going to be doing more of, so stay tuned for more vlogs. Basically inside the box, the papers of the manual and just letting you know the model and everything, and if you want to register your camera. It also comes with the battery pack, so this is where you can obviously charge your battery, which I will need to go and get more. So, and this is really nice because I can take this on the go and charge my batteries, which I know I will need to. And then they also give you a battery as well, which is very good, and I will need to definitely get more. Then it also comes with a strap that I will definitely put on the camera because I don't want to drop it, of course. So this is good, little strap. This is so exciting. I have been wanting this camera for a very long time, so I'm super, super excited. Here it is, here she is. The real reason why I really wanted this camera was to be able to vlog and to also be able to see myself. It has a screen on the back there, as you can see myself, and it's also a touch screen as well, which is really nice. And it also flips up, and so I can see myself when I'm vlogging. And so that was a really big key pro and factor into me getting this camera. As you can see by the top, it has the off and on button. It has the controls where you can do different settings. On the back, you have the menu button, the record button, ring function, also the trash, and then your play if you're going to record anything. And then also some more settings as well for if you want specific settings on the camera. Let's do a little test shot review. So let's go on and turn this on. So let me get the battery in and I will turn it on for you guys. I forgot to show you guys. Right at the bottom here, you just push this button here, and that's where you put your battery and your scan disk in. So let me put that in and we'll turn it on. Alright, now I'm going to put in my scan disk right inside there. Alright, so now we have the battery in and we have the scan disk in, so let's turn her on. Nice. So as soon as I turned it on, it basically opened up with the settings for the date and the time and to get that set up. So I won't do that just yet, but that is what happens when you turn it on. There we go. So I just flipped up the screen here and you can tell it's already showing the date and time. So it's really awesome. A big part of this is out and talk and see that you're in focus. And so especially when you're vlogging and you're out and about, you want to have a camera that's flexible and small and compact that you can put in your purse or put in your pocket and just grab it out when you need to at a very quick instance, and be able to vlog and know that you're in focus and be able to see yourself. And so this is why I really wanted this camera, really nice. And I'm super happy. I'm going to do a little test and show you guys what it looks like from this camera instead of the camera you're seeing me on now. Alright you guys, so this is me on the Canon G7X. So as you can tell, it's definitely brighter and more crisp and clear, so I just wanted to give you guys a view of what it looks like on the camera. And versus I was basically filming on the MacBook, so just to kind of give you an idea of what the two look like, I think it looks great. It's a really good, crisp, clear view. It's a really nice camera. So like I said, if you guys are wondering what camera to get as you're starting out your YouTube, definitely get the Canon G7x Mark II. It is a great camera. There have been some reviews on the audio. Don't let that deter you from getting this camera. Alright you guys, so that was my unboxing and my review of the Canon G7x Mark II. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of the camera. And definitely hit that thumbs up button, give this video a like. And if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.